Hey there, let's take a look at a Wenger special edition knife from the Dave Arnold collection. This is the Orvis Mastertool 13. And I believe 13 referred to the number of tools it had. It's an 85mm knife, 6 layers, and it's just got every Wenger tool on there that is quintessential Wenger. Orvis, you may know as a retailer of fly fishing gear and apparel. This knife was made specifically for them, not only with special scales that are green and are inlaid with the Orvis name and logo there, but also a special tool combination at the time. Now later, Wenger brought out the Mastertool 13, which was similar, but this was the precursor to it. So let's see what's on board. So here's your Wenger can opener, and the Wenger pressure lock screwdriver, cap lifter, wire stripper. There are a pair of cigar cutters, which Dave tells me are quite effective. There are also a pair of scissors hidden behind that. They're a little bit hard to access, but if you know where they are. And you know, Wenger scissors are a little different. They have a serrated edge. They're supposed to be self-sharpening. They have a different, more robust spring than the Victorinox. There's an inline Phillips. I believe it also locks when you press down on it. There's a little wrench. There's a nail nick in it. Here, if I can get a hold of it. So this wrench would handle, you know, small nuts of different sizes. And there's a stamp on the tool to show you how to use it, which way to turn it. There are a pair of pliers. And these are the Wenger slip joint pliers. So you've got 2 different sizes here. Well, there we go. And finally, we have a couple of blades. We have the large serrated blade. It is a locking blade. So here's where you disengage it. It has the word lock on it. And this one has a small clip point blade instead of a nail cleaning tool. On the back, corkscrew. And then scale tools, the inboard tweezers, and toothpick. So this is a knife that is just full of Wenger's very innovative tools. And again, that's the Orvis Mastertool 13, rare and very collectible. Thanks for watching.